Are your muscles feeling tense, sore and stiff, especially in your upper body and around your neck? Join me now and let's stretch out those muscles and get you back to feeling loosened up. Today I will show you some stretches and movements to get your tense muscles smoother to avoid further problems as headaches, muscular imbalance and discomfort. Take a deep breath in and out and let's start. Okay, we're going to start with a small mobilization exercise. Place your hands on top of your thighs and then with a straight back go as far as possible forward and then curve your spine vertebra per vertebra, roll up, 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 come into a straight position and then again. Straight forward, vertebra per vertebra, roll up, straight position. Inhale, 4. Exhale. Curving the thoracic spine and then roll up into straight position. One last time. Good. Relax your shoulders. From here, stretch up one arm as high as possible and change to the other side. Stretch up. Also bend slightly to the side so you're stretching here the intercostal space, the muscles between your ribs. Stretch as high as possible, it just feels good. Keep on breathing regularly. And one last one. And from here we stay on this side, bend now to the side. So we're really reaching here the flank, the side, our obliques, and hold this position a moment. Good. Your head stays on the left side. From here, the ear goes towards your shoulder and hold this position. We're going to stretch the scalenes, the muscles on the side of your neck. Now we're reaching the middle part, just with your ear in the direction of your shoulder and hold it here. Try to stay in a straight position, just bend your neck to the side. From here, look slightly upwards, so we're reaching the front part of the scalenes. And from here, slowly looking forward, so we reach the posterior part. So at the same time, now we're putting the left hand on top of the head to reach as well the Levator Scapulae muscle, which goes all the way down to your scapula. And as this muscle rotates your scapula down, we are going to lift up the other arm, so we are going to stretch it even more. You definitely should feel the stretch. And it's a muscle which tends to be tight, so it's quite important to do this stretch often. Good. Come back to the center. Roll your shoulders and again stretch up. One last time. And we go to the other side. So we're stretching now to this side. Feel the stretch on the obliques, on the plane, on the flank, on the side of your upper body. Breathe in deeply. And also now placing the hand on top of your head to make it even stronger. You can also just put the head and put your ear towards in the direction of your shoulder and hold it there to stretch the middle part of the scalenes. Try to stay in an upright position and just hold it here. It's really a small movement, but very effective and feels very good. From here, slightly bend your look upwards and bend your head backwards to stretch the anterior part of the scalenes. And also going forward, look to the left pocket of your pants to stretch the posterior parts. For the Levator Scapulae stretch, place your hand on top of your head, hold it there, and if you want more, lift up your arm to get the stretch totally here. Hold this position, keep on breathing regularly. And then come back into a neutral position. Roll your shoulders. Good. We continue with a neck flexion. So look forward, your chin towards your chest. And if you want more, place both hands on top of your head. We're stretching the back side of your neck. Hold this position, slightly pushing your head forward. Really feels good as this muscle is quite tense as well. And then come back up into neutral position. Shake. Roll your shoulders. From here we continue with a stretch for the rhomboids. So bring your arms forward and pull out your shoulder blades. So the shoulder blades are separating from each other, and that's where the rhomboids are placed. So we are going to stretch the muscles between the shoulder blades. Hold it forward. Stretch it forward. If you want, you can push a bit forward your left and your right arm. Small movements forward and back. Good. We open up and stretching the chest muscles. So your elbows are on shoulder level and pull back. So you should feel the stretch in the pectoralis, in the chest muscles. And hold it here. Rounded shoulders and our hunched forward position is also a reason very often for short chest muscles. So it's quite important to stretch those muscles out. Keep on breathing. Good. Continue with the stretch for the shoulder. So hug your arm, bring your triceps, your biceps, the upper arm towards your chest and pull it towards your chest. At the same time, tuck under, so you're reaching here, the delts, the shoulder muscles. Keep on breathing regularly. So your upper arm flattens on top of your chest, and then you definitely should feel the stretch. Open up and change to the other side. So your shoulder is down. Push your arm towards your chest and hold it here. Keep on breathing regularly. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. Good. The next muscle is the triceps, so open up and push your elbow down, so you should feel the stretch here on the back side of your arm. So we hold each position for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then we change to the other side. Try to keep a straight back. And push your elbow down until you feel the stretch. You should never feel pain, just slightly the stretch of the muscle. Great. We continue with a rotation exercise for the whole spine. So cross over one leg, come into a straight position, pull yourself up, and then rotate to one side. Try to stay as straight as possible and hold this position, and try also to have some distance between your ear and your shoulder. You should feel the stretch in the whole entire spine. Change to the other side. You can do this exercise perfectly anytime while you're sitting at your desk, and it just feels so good. And it's just really important to move the position, your working position, as often as possible to change. Good, and last but not least, just go forward, hang forward, relax the muscles of your neck, of your shoulders, and hold this position. We're stretching the entire back side. Keep on breathing deeply in and out. If you want, you can move your arms slightly forward and backward to stretch a bit more, and then slowly, vertebra per vertebra, rolling up, coming back into a straight position. Roll your shoulders, and that was the stretching for today. Didn't that feel good? When I'm in the office, I regularly stretch during my daily activity, as it just feels good and keeps me and my muscles healthy. It's so important that you listen to your body. Be aware of tension, of slight discomfort in your body, and remind yourself often to get up, change position, and stretch the tension away. Now, after a good stretch, let's have a look if you have already thought about all the important points to set up your desk.